Built atop Hyperlite's Fusion plate system, the DeFacto is a fresh-looking, universal mount plated wakeboard binding. The three-part construction includes a separate insole, midsole, and outsole, delivering the fit and function wakeboarders need to progress their riding. Dual lace zones combined with an upper ankle power strap offers a customized fit, supported by Hyperlite's Hypercush insole. Choose the color that best matches your riding, and enjoy the best in closed-toe wakeboard footwear.